single day. Hey, Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Copwatch. Before I do a screen read here on the latest internal affairs that I filed a complaint, and they did nothing as usual. I wanted to talk about how it's absolute insane bullshit, discrimination, whatever the hell. I mean, so this is what's going on. I got a death threat in Leo Affairs chat room for Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, where they state, if this was D.C., New York, Chicago, or L.A., you would have been pushed in front of a bus or thrown off a rooftop years ago. So I have the right to turn that in to Internal Affairs. So Internal Affairs looked into it and found we did nothing wrong, and they literally state, oh, it's freedom of speech. Wow, that's weird. Because I sent an Sunshine Law request back that said, okay, so does that mean that I can go in Leo Affairs here and anonymously make death threats against Charlotte County Sheriff deputies, and it's free speech? What do you guys think? Hey, I don't even care what you think. I already know what they will do. They will fucking investigate and give subpoenas to Leo Affairs, find out who the fuck's IP address that is that just made a death threat against the Charlotte County Sheriff deputy and or the sheriff himself. What the fuck? This is discrimination. Unequal justice under the law. Wake the fuck up and take a goddamn country back, sheeple.
On October 25, 2018, the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office Records Department received a public records request from Copwatch investigator at yahoo.com, which is managed by Andrew Sheets. The request was for Internal Affairs to conduct an investigation into a possible Charlotte County Sheriff's Office employee making a threat to him on leoaffairs.com. Attached to the case was a screenshot of the comment. leoaffairs.com is a public website where people can anonymously express their freedom of speech rights. The comment was posted by an unregistered guest, and was not a threat or crime. The comment did contain verbiage to indicate the poster was potentially a Charlotte County Sheriff's Office employee. The comment was, "Here's some pure comedy for you." He put a video out saying that the sheriff deployed a stingray in his neighborhood to spy on him. His proof was a free phone app that had shown where a microcell was located in his neighborhood. That was well over a year ago now. Being that a stingray costs north of $250,000, common sense would tell you that we don't have one. If we did buy one, just FOIA the purchase order. Don't know who sells them, FOIA pose over $200,000. No worries, there's likely no record found on that either. Let's face it. Andy picks up something that happened somewhere in the work and he tries to make the narrative fit here in Charlotte County. Are we perfect? Nope. Does the sheriff fire us when most agencies would just give us a write-up? Yep. Why, you may ask? Because we don't have real problems here like other jurisdictions do. Andy lives closer to Lee County than most of Charlotte County. Yet, he's not down in Lee County or Fort Myers looking for corruption because he knows he would find it. History tells us that uncovering true corruption isn't a safe hobby for anyone. So, keep having fun, Andy, in the land of make-believe, where you can go around disrespecting people for fun without any consequences. Because we're not corrupt. If this was DC, New York, Chicago, or LA, you would have been pushed in front of a bus or thrown off a rooftop years ago. Based on the comment being posted by an unregistered guest on a public forum for freedom of speech, along with the comment not being a crime, notification was sent to Sheets that no further investigation would be conducted as there were no observed violations of policy or procedure. On November 12, 2018, the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office Records Department received a public records request for the Internal Affairs Unit to reopen the investigation into the leoaffairs.com complaint due to an additional post which was harassing, stalking, and contained a threat of rape. Attached to the records request was the additional comment. I reviewed the additional comment provided with the public records request, as well as went directly onto the Leo Affairs website. I was able to navigate through the website to a section for the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, which contained a thread named Andrew Sheets. The thread was 7 pages long, and contained numerous posts and response-type posts from multiple unregistered guests. I was able to locate the comment regarding the initial complaint, as well as the comment for the additional complaint. The comment in the additional complaint is as follows. Actually, I laugh at the fact that I'm collecting a 6-figure pension plus my regular salary down here while Andy has to resort to installing a third world shower head with a 220V power cord running to it just to save a couple of cents on his power bill. MRS. Sheets was just thrilled with that, LOL. You should have heard her talking about what a loser she married. Just when she thought she was marrying an American big shot, she ended up with some loser that would rather make free YouTube videos than just go get a job and provide for her so she can go visit her family again. She thinks he's afraid that she wouldn't come back to the US if she went back again. Do me a favor, Sheets, put on a regular shower head so I don't fry my nuts off next time I swing by to say hi to Nita. Don't worry, I throw her a couple of bucks so she can buy something nice for herself. Upon initial review of the comment, there is no identification to a Charlotte County Sheriff's deputy. The additional comment was several posts after the original comment, was from an unregistered guest, and did not contain any verbiage as to the identity of the person posting it. On November 21, 2018, I made telephone contact with Andrew Sheets. I inquired about specific comments. Sheets advised the information regarding a third world shower head is an accurate statement, but is several years old. The only person he recalls having knowledge of it is Charlotte County Sheriff's Office employee Jacob Hawkins, but he is not sure whom Hawkins may have told it to. Sheets also advised his wife, Leonida, Nita, has not been the victim of any sexual assault or battery, and no one has been to his residence as stated in the post. When the comment regarding a 6-figure pension and current salary was mentioned, I advised it likely ruled out Jacob Hawkins. Sheets advised that would be correct, but if the person posting the comment was a smart detective like Hawkins, then misleading information could be added. I agreed with Sheets, indicating anyone could add misleading information on the website. Based on the additional investigation, it is determined there was no evidence or information to support a violation of policy or procedure of a member of the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. LeoAffairs.com is a public website for people to anonymously express their freedom of speech rights. The intimate knowledge regarding Sheets' showhead is several years old, so it is unknown to the potential number of people who could have that knowledge. The additional comments posted still amount to freedom of speech, and based on Florida State Statute Chapter 836, defamation, libel, threatening letters and similar offenses, and Statute 784.048, stalking, the comments do not amount to a criminal act. Notification was sent to Andrew Sheets, and the case was reclosed unfounded.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Copwatch. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.